Rearranging a formula does not change the relationship. It changes which variable stands alone. Distance equals rate times time is convenient when distance is the target. For 60 miles per hour over 3 hours, the formula gives 180 miles. If time is the target, divide both sides by rate to obtain time equals distance divided by rate. 180 miles divided by 60 miles per hour gives 3 hours. Both forms describe the same trip and return consistent values. Let the requested variable stand alone by undoing operations on both sides. A numerical check can verify the rearranged form. An equation behaves like a balanced scale. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. Addition is undone by subtraction. Multiplication is undone by division. A square is undone by a square root when the context allows it. A denominator is cleared by multiplying both sides by that denominator. These inverse pairs remove operations surrounding the target variable. Work from the outside inward and keep every transformation visible. The goal is isolation, not a memorized shortcut. Start with a one-step rearrangement. Solve area equals length times width for width. Write the original formula. A equals L times W. The target is W, which is currently multiplied by L. Divide both sides by L, so the equation remains balanced. On the right, L divided by L becomes 1. The rearranged formula is W equals A divided by L. If area is 48 and length is 8, width equals 6. 8 times 6 returns the original area of 48. The inverse operation removed the factor attached to W. Two-step rearrangements undo the outer operation before the inner one. Use rectangle perimeter P equals 2L plus 2W and solve for W. The W term is first joined to 2L by addition. Subtract 2L from both sides to get P minus 2L equals 2W. Now divide the complete left side and the right side by 2. The result is W equals open parenthesis P minus 2L close parenthesis divided by 2. With P equal 30 and L equal 9, W equals 6. 2 9s plus 2 6s returns 30. Parentheses show that the entire difference is divided by 2. A fraction in a formula can often be cleared before isolating the variable. Triangle area is A equals BH divided by 2, and we will solve for H. The product BH is divided by 2. Multiply both sides by 2 to get 2A equals BH. Then divide both sides by B. The rearranged formula is H equals 2A divided by B. If area is 30 and base is 12, height equals 5. 1/2 times 12 times 5 returns 30. Clear the denominator, then remove the remaining factor. The same outside-in logic works for a linear formula. Begin with y equals mx plus b and solve for x. The target x is multiplied by m, and that product has b added. Subtract b from both sides to obtain y minus b equals mx. Divide both sides by m. The isolated form is x equals open parenthesis y minus b close parenthesis divided by m. For y equals 17, m equal 3, and b equal 2, x equals 5. 3 times 5 plus 2 returns 17. Undo addition before multiplication because addition is the outer operation. A common rearrangement error divides by only part of a product. From I equals PRT, incorrect work may divide by P and write I over P equals R plus T. It may then subtract T, producing R equals I over P minus T. The formula contains multiplication, not addition, so R is multiplied by the complete product PT. Return to I equals PRT. Divide both sides by the full product PT. The correct form is R equals I divided by open parenthesis PT close parenthesis. Substitution into this form reproduces the original interest equation. Keep a product grouped when the entire product belongs in a denominator. Operation symbols determine the inverse step. Use 4 questions whenever you rearrange a formula. Which variable must stand alone? What operations surround that variable? Which inverse operation removes each layer? Does substitution verify the new form? Challenge. Circumference equals 2 pi r. Solve for radius when circumference is 31.4. Divide both sides by the complete factor 2 pi. Radius equals c divided by 2p, which is approximately 5. Isolate, preserve balance, then verify.